Hi, I'm Dylan. In this video, I'll show you how you can manage projects in OrgZit. This is OrgZit's dashboard. It gives you insights about your projects through configurable widgets. To get started, let's get into the Project Management workspace from the side menu. Here, you can manage your projects by these modules, which contain projects data. This contains the types of task. This contains the list of clients. Every client may have multiple projects, and every project is subdivided into its milestones, which in turn have several tasks under it. These modules are called apps in OrgZit. Now I'll show you how this works. So let's start with the clients module. Here are the client details. Now let's add a new client. Let me show you how. Just click on Add Client button, fill these details, and create. Now I'll take an example of an Android development project for the client named Buffet Industries to show how projects can be managed. I'll select the Buffet Industries to see the basic details of the client. Here's the Buffet Industries project. We can see its details like its project manager, project age, status, associated milestones, and tasks. To look at the details of any project, click anywhere on the row. Each row is known as a record in OrgZit, and open the detailed view. Now we can see all project details along with useful metrics on a single page. As I scroll down, we will find all the detailed information about the milestones and tasks under this specific project. For example, here, we have divided the Android development project into 4 milestones. To see the details of any milestone or tasks, we need to click on the respective record, which takes us into a detailed view screen. Let's explore the handover milestone and also how to add a new task under the milestone. By clicking the New Task button here, we will get a pop-up window where we can add the new task. In the Quick Edit mode, we can change the status of a task with just a couple of clicks. Now that we have seen how project information, including milestones and related tasks, can be easily managed in OrgZit, let's move on to looking at some of OrgZit's standard collaboration features. Starting with comments, let's see how to chat and discuss in real time with your team. Next is Record Tasks. This is more like reminders and checklists where you can quickly create and assign small tasks for your team or for yourself. Storing and sharing files in OrgZit works like a charm, as it eliminates the need to a complicated files directory, making all your relevant files accessible at the place you need them. Next, let's look at one of my favorite features in OrgZit. With OrgZit History, we can track each and every change in our data at any time, making project data audits a breeze. This was an overview of how to manage projects efficiently in OrgZit. Thank you.